Wagwan my people, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be making a whole roast chicken. It's Sunday and I'm about to get down in the kitchen, guys. I made some fried chicken, some sweet potato pudding. Let me know if you'd like to see a video on that. And yeah, some nice good up rice and peas. I already posted a video on how to make Jamaican rice and peas, so you can check that out. I'll leave it in the link up above and down below as well. So let's get into the video, guys. Right here I have my whole chicken. I'm just going to butterfly it so that it can cook faster. So I'm gonna take the tail off and then cut it all the way down the back. So after cutting the chicken down the back, we're gonna remove the gizzard and the liver. We're gonna keep those, but we're gonna go on the inside now, inside the thighs and so on. You want to take out those little bloody parts that we don't need. Those little bloody parts, we're gonna remove them, and we're gonna remove as much fat as possible. So now that we have the chicken all prepped, we're gonna rinse it with some vinegar. If you have lemon or lime juice, that's fine. Yeah, we're gonna rinse it twice, and then we're gonna pat dry with a paper towel just to remove the excess water, because we're gonna be roasting the chicken, so we don't want too much water on it. All right, so I'm gonna add my seasonings, and all the seasoning will be listed down in the description box down below, but it's mostly gonna be like rosemary, oregano. We're gonna have some Italian herbs, and our sazon. I love my sazon, some creole and some cajun season, paprika, cayenne, because we want it nice and spicy as well. But everything will be listed down in the description box. It may sound like it's a lot of seasoning, but it's mostly herbs and spices. So what you see me doing here, you can skip this process. The reason I'm doing this is because the breast don't carry a lot of flavor, so I am just piercing two slice on each side of the breast, just so that it can absorb the seasoning, and all the flavor can get to go through, but you don't really have to do this process. I have here a tablespoon of minced garlic along with my seasoning, which will be listed in the description box. As I said before, I'm just going to combine everything, and I'm going to rub my chicken inside and out. So I'm going to do under the skin, on the inside, the bony areas. Every section is going to be well flavored. I'm going to push my hand under the thighs and all that. So right here I am just massaging the chicken with some cooking oil, and the reason for that is this will help to hold the powdered seasoning. Whenever I apply it, it won't fall off. All right, so that's the purpose of putting the oil on the chicken. So we're just going to make sure that every part of this chicken is well marinated. So guys, we're not cooking no boring chicken, right? So we are going with some scallions, some onions, and some Scotch bonnet pepper and some thyme as well on the inside of the chicken. Yeah, we're gonna make sure that we put it under the skin so that when the butter melts under there, everything just flow throughout the chicken. Yeah, no boring chicken around here. So now we're just gonna add a tablespoon of butter, and this is gonna keep the chicken moist on the inside. All right, so that's the purpose for the butter, and then we're gonna place it in the oven. Now it's 1 hour and 15 minutes since it's been in the oven, and I'm just gonna remove the liquid that the chicken had produced. We're just gonna remove that, and that's gonna make our sauce. So whatever sauce you have in your home, you wanna add this to make your gravy. I have some Asian zing and some sweet chili sauce, so that's what I'm gonna add. You can add your ketchup and brownie, anything you want to add in there, and you just want to brush it onto your chicken, or just use a spoon and apply it to the chicken. And my stove was on 350 degrees. Now I'm gonna pump it up to 450, just to make sure that the chicken, get that nice roasted look. So we're gonna put it in there for 10 minutes, and then we're gonna take it out. As you can see, the leg has started to separate from the chicken. That's an indication that the chicken is fully cooked. So we're just gonna apply the sauce on there and pop it in for 10 minutes so that it can get nice and crisp on the outside. So after 10 minutes more, this is what it's looking like. I went ahead and I plated it just to show you. This is gonna look so beautiful on your dinner table. So I added some vegetables, and I have some extra coleslaw on the side as well. So this is it, guys. It's beautiful, and it was very tasty and delicious. All those herbs, yeah, it went in the right places that I needed it to. Thank you all so much for watching my video. If you need to see a fried chicken video, let me know. I'll make crispy fried chicken for you. If you are interested, just drop a comment in the comment section, and I'm just gonna apply the remaining sauce on the chicken to place it on my dinner table. This chicken was so good, guys. I promise you. I'll leave everything in the description box, all the seasoning, all the spices and herbs that I use. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and hit that red subscribe button, turn your notification bell on so that you don't miss any uploads. And yeah, thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay blessed, show some love, and I'll see you guys in my next video coming up. All right, I'll try to post at least 2 videos a week, or 1 video per week. So I'll see you in another video. Bye, guys.